Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss some important terms which we will be frequently finding in our chemistry. Let's start with them. The first one is atomic number. It is represented by Z and atomic number is equals to the number of protons. Okay, in case of neutral atoms, the number of protons is equals to the number of electrons. So I should write here only in case of neutral species. The number of protons is equals to the number of electrons. Then if you have to find out the number of electrons, तो protons के number देख लो, वही number of electrons होंगे. Suppose I ask you in chlorine atom what is the number of proton, that means number of atomic number and number of electron. So chlorine का atomic number होता है 17. The number of electron will also be 17. But suppose if I have to find out the number of electrons in the charged species, then there is a formula. How to get it? The number of electrons is equals to Z minus charge. Okay, in case of charged species, for example Cl minus. Cl minus, that is chloride ion के अंदर, if I have to find out the number of electrons, we will apply this formula. The number of electrons is equals to Z. Z कितना है Cl का? 17 minus charge कितना present है? -1. So I'll write in the bracket -1. Now 17 minus minus, it becomes +1. So the number of electrons will become equals to 18. So we can say in chloride ions the 18 electrons are present. Similarly in Na plus you can find out. Na plus के अंदर कितने electrons हैं? How you will apply the formula? Number of electrons. What is the atomic number? 11 minus what is the charge present? +1. So I'll write here +1. So what is the number of electrons it is having? 10. In this way you can find out the number of electrons in the charged species. Now we will discuss the term mass number. As the Rutherford says in his scattering experiment and in his nuclear model of an atom, he says the whole of the mass of the atom, it is concentrated in the nucleus. And what is the mass number? It is the mass of the neutrons and protons. So he said A, that is the mass number, is equals to N plus P. This is also called as nucleons. What is nucleons? That means the sum of the number of neutrons and protons. So if you have to calculate the number of neutron, you can also write it like this, A minus Z, if I am not wrong students, because P can also be written as Z. So here I had replaced P with the Z. So N is equals to either A minus P or you can write A minus Z. Fine. Now the next term it is isotopes. Isotopes was given by a scientist Soddy. The isotopes, they are having the same element. The elements which are showing the isotopes, they will be the same and they are having the same mass number. What is the difference between them? They are having the different mass number and they are having the different number of neutrons. Here we will take two examples. The first one it is chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737. See students, how I had written, for making it clear, I should go here, representation of element. How we represent an element? By writing symbol of the element. What is this X denoting? Symbol. This is the symbol of an element. This Z we had already discussed, atomic number, and A, this is the mass number. So Z is written in the subscript and A is written as the superscript of the symbol of an element. So I had mentioned it here, Cl symbol, 17 it is the atomic number and 35 is the mass number. So I had written the two isotopes. Now we have to see whether these two species, they are constituting isotopes or not. Let's check it out. First, same element. They are the same elements. Z is also same. You can see 17, 17, atomic number is same. Different mass number. See, one is having 35 and another is having 37 mass number, so it is different. Let's calculate n. n कैसे calculate करना है? a minus z. 35 minus 17. What it is coming out to be? 18. 37 minus 17. 20. So we can see that the number of neutrons which is coming out in both the species, it is different. One more example we can take of isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium and tritium. How we represent them? All three of them are having the same atomic number 1 and mass number of 1, 2 and 3. This is called as protium, this is called as deuterium and this is called as tritium. If you will see, they are having the same mass atomic number but different mass number. अगर इनका n calculate करोगे, so what is the value of n in case of this protium? It is 0. In case of deuterium, 1, the difference of the two, and in case of tritium it is 2. So you can say they are having different mass number and different number of neutrons. Okay, so in this way you can practice different examples. Now let's move on to the isobars. Students, isobars were given by Aston. The scientist Aston, he gave them, he explained them. Now isobars, they are having only one thing same. One value is same for them, that is the mass number. Otherwise all the values are different. They are having the different elements, they are having the different atomic numbers, the numbers of electrons, the numbers of protons, the numbers of neutrons, everything will be different. We will take the example of argon, potassium and calcium. Atomic number 18, 19 and 20, and all of them are having the mass number of 40. See students, this is potassium whose mass number is 40. I am not written 39, though generally we are taking 39, but here I am taking another isotope of potassium whose mass number is 40, so as to explain isobars. Okay, now these three species, these three examples, they are constituting isobars. Let's see how. First, same mass number. See, 40, 40, 40. तो mass number क्या हो गया यहाँ पे हमारा? Same. Different elements, argon, potassium, calcium, different है. Z atomic number 18, 19, 20, different है. इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन 18, 19, 20, it is different. अगर इसमें आप कैलकुलेट करोगे n, what is the number of n over here? 22. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस निकालो. 40 minus 18, it is 22. 40 minus 19, it will be 21. 40 minus 20, it will be 20. So again the number of neutrons is also different. So they are constituting the isobars. Fine. I hope it must be understood by all of you. Next one, isoelectronic species. Beta, isoelectronic, as the word itself indicating, same number of electrons. The species, that means the atoms, molecules or ions which are having the same number of electrons, they come under this category. Let's take the example, chloride and argon. What is the number of electrons in chloride? 17 plus 1, that means 18. And in argon also it is 18. So we can say they are having the same number of electrons, that means they are constituting isoelectronic species. One more example, H2O and NH3. Water and ammonia. How many electrons it is having? Oxygen में कितने electrons है? 8. Hydrogen में 1. 2 atoms we are having. So 8 plus 2, it is 10. Now nitrogen is having 7. Hydrogen is having 1 into 3, so it will also be 10. So these two are same, that means same number of electrons are present. So these molecules can be termed as isoelectronic. These species, one is ion, one is atom. These species are also constituting the isoelectronic species. Let's move on to the next one, that is isotones. Iso, same, neutrons. They are having the same number of neutrons. Okay, here we will take two examples. First one, it is of potassium and calcium. 19, 20, they are atomic numbers. Here it is 39 and here it is 40. ठीक है? We are saying that isotones, they are having same number of neutrons. चेक कर लेते हैं. Atomic number different है, mass number different है. Let's calculate their number of neutrons. It is 39 minus 19, 20. 40 minus 20, 20. So it is coming out to be same. तो ये कौन सी species हो गई है? Isotones. One more example you can take of tritium and helium. Tritium 3, 1. That means atomic number 1 है और mass number कितना है हमारा? 3. And helium 2 and 4. Okay. So here we will check out whether they are isotones or not. Atomic number different है, mass number different है, and if you will calculate the number of neutrons, देख लेते हैं क्या आता है. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. So yes, of course they are the examples of isotones. They can be termed as isotones because they are having the same number of neutrons, that is 2, and here also they are having the same number of neutrons, that is 20, 20. Fine. Now the next one, isosters. Isosters में क्या होता है? These are the molecules जिनके अंदर which are having same number of atoms. Atoms का नंबर भी सेम होगा प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का नंबर भी इसमें क्या होगा? सेम. इसके अंदर हम एग्जांपल लेते हैं CO2 and N2O. If you will check whether they are isosters or not, then you will come to know कि yes, they are isosters. Let's see. Molecules having the same number of atoms. तो पहले atoms देख लेते हैं, and then we will see the electrons. How many atoms it is having? 2 and 1, 3. 2 and 1, 3. Fine. Number of electrons. Carbon is having 6. Oxygen is having 8. 8 into 2, 16, and 6, 22. Nitrogen is having 7. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 8, 22. So they are having the same number of atoms and same number of electrons. So here you can come in your mind कि मैम isoelectronic में भी same number of electrons है, isosters में भी same number of electrons है, but there is a big difference. It is not having the same number of atoms. This is having the same number of atoms also. So they are constituting the isosters. You can take one more example of calcium oxide for this. Calcium oxide and potassium fluoride. Check करके बताओ whether they are having they are the isosters or not. 1 and 1, 2. 1 and 1, 2. Number of atoms कितने हो गए हमारे? 2, 2. Number of electrons. Calcium कितने होते हैं? 20. Oxygen 8. 28 हो गए. 19. Potassium 19. Fluorine, it is also it is having 9. So 19 and 9, 28. 28, 28. That means the number of atoms as well as the number of electrons, they are same. So they are coming under the category of isosters. And the last one is isodiphers. Isodiphers are the atoms of different elements. They are also the atoms of different elements. These are also the atoms of different elements. So different elements having the same difference, of neutron minus proton. अगर आप इनके न्यूट्रॉन और प्रोटॉन का डिफरेंस निकालोगे तो इट विल कम्स आउट टू बी सेम. सो इन दिस कैटेगरी वी विल टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ बोरॉन एंड कार्बन. फाइन. डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स हो गए यहाँ पे. एटॉमिक नंबर्स क्या है? 5, 6. मास नंबर्स क्या है? 11, 13. नाउ जस्ट कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स एंड प्रोटॉन्स. How many neutrons? 11 minus 5, 6. 13 minus 6, it is 13 minus 6, it is 7. Number of protons 5. Number of protons 6. नाउ n minus p कैलकुलेट कर दो बच्चों. 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 6 1. So they are having the same number of the difference between the number of neutrons and protons. So they are the examples of isodiapers. Students, I have discussed few examples and you can practice many more and clear your concepts. Thank you.